Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 7 and we put about secant of t. Because if we put this one go in here, you got about 7 square secant of t square. 7 square with 7 square. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1. We change tan t square and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides and you got about ds equals to number 7 secant of t tan t dt. First the derivative of this one, you got about this one. So I will put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. So this one you got about 7 square secant of t square. 7 square, we can do about factorization. And this one, we change tan t square. The square root of 7 square tan t square, we got about 7 tan t. So we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. And we got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 7. And we got about t equal to a secant of s over 7. So I will put this one to change for t. So we have secant with a secant, you got about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.